Board of Secondary Education Manipur Bosem has extended its best wishes to all students appearing in the High School Leaving Certificate Hslc examination 2026, which will commence on February 23rd and conclude on March 23rd. Speaking to media person at Bosem office in Babupura, Secretary S. Jitenlal Sharma informed that a total of 36,725 students will appear for the Class 10 examination this year, including 19,046 from hill districts and 17,679 from valley districts, comprising 18,350 male and 18,375 female candidates. The examination will be conducted at 161 centers across the state, with 61 in the hills and 100 in the valley, while 392 internally displaced students, mostly from relief camps in Bishnupur district, will also appear in the exam. He said, to ensure smooth conduct and prevent any untoward incidents, 10 nodal officers, around the 36 inspection teams and 12 special teams have been deployed, and BNSS Section 163 has been imposed in the vicinity of examination centers. Bosem cautioned that any malpractice or unwanted incident at examination centers may attract strict action under the Manipur Prevention of Malpractices in Hslc and HSE Act 2024, including imprisonment up to 10 years and a fine of 1 crore rupees, while appealing to students and parents to refrain from unfair means and maintain discipline during the examinations.
High School Leaving Certificate Examination 2026 asi haiba parikha asi koi phajana pangthokpa ngamnabani damakta koi singgi lamsingda nodal officer tara loina inspection teams koi na hana flying squad aina hainiramba team so very the kunta to play gani tongan be special team support team so board members special team tara ni thoi yawani loina singda haiba masingsiga haikat manana koi haiba inspection team koi thamjari examination asiku free and fair koina ba chhatra sing prasasing sarkar commission sing chhatra organization club organization natragana association sing da mating pangbi haijari examination sin nattaba aramba thokdok ama thokpa matamda thokdok tu kohalliba maduda napoina na musa khatheng na yawri mi gedo sahi tara phoba ma jel la lebi ai loina na lupa ko ama phokki fine nama thin bayai loina na exam siku thabi gedo riba satra satri siku leita na thabi duna tumdi sida mai pakko ko yasu amadi ya tamu what side